Hello, welcome back to my channel, Ask MCT Chris. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to read a CSV file and insert the data into a SQL Server table. And we will use the bulk insert command. So stay tuned, but before we start, let's watch my intro. So I have here my SQL Server Management Studio opened, and what we're going to do is we're going to select a table from AdventureWorks database, and that would be the table named Human Resources Department. And when we run that, it gives us 16 records. We'd like to save the result set into a CSV file, and to do that, we can right-click anywhere on the result pane and choose the Save Result As, and then we can save that into our D drive demo files, and we'll name that CSV file to be Departments. Once we hit the Save button, the Department CSV file is in there. Let's open it to check what's inside. Now, what if you wanted now to read that CSV file and insert it into a different table? And this time the table that we wanted to insert and read that CSV file is into the DBO departments. And you will notice there's nothing in there. And that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to read that CSV file and insert it into the DBO departments. We're going to use the bulk insert command of SQL Server, and then name the table that you wanted to insert into, and then read the CSV file that is from the D drive demo folder, and that would be departments.csv. And then we're going to put in our switches. First, the data file type. What is it? It's a character file. Second is the field terminator, which is a comma, and then the row terminator, which is a carriage return, and carriage return is a backslash in SQL Server. And we're going to specify in here that we're going to lock the table so that no one will be able to query the DBO departments while we are inserting something into that table. So we're now going to highlight this command and execute it. And we have now inserted 16 rows in our DBO departments. We'll now query this, and we now have the 16 rows in our DBO departments. And that's how you insert a CSV file into your SQL Server table. I hope you've learned something from this session. If you did like it, please hit that like button, and please hit that subscribe for more tips and tricks from me. Thank you for watching.